Hello, I just had my 10X360 Roundtable meeting with Dawson. I'm Maria, and here are my 9 lessons learned on today's topic, the boiling frog theory. Lesson 1, context. As a startup, we're always launching new things, and we implement the attack speed. So we introduce new things, and John Maxwell talks about it, and it goes, sometimes it takes time for acceptance and putting that in the process. So we launched a new strategy last week, and then we were excited that we were expecting everybody to have done it by Monday, and then it didn't get done. Question: when you guys are rolling out a new product, a whole kind of new way of doing things with your team, is there a strategy or documentation or a way that you can get the attack speed with your team? Lesson 2, answer. Brandon says he calls it the boiling frog theory. Brandon says is to attack speed until you really groove a system that is consistent. So model, mimic, and master. Lesson 3. So let's say you have a product development and product deployment process, and you just follow that process. So all of a sudden, it's like you got a product, then you build a landing page, then you got to sell to somebody, and then you got to ship to them and distribute. Then you got to call them and follow up with them and make sure that all is well. Lesson 4. Whatever that is, you teach your team. Your team learns the process, and then you throw something new in there. And so the more they do it, the faster they get. And that creates your system. Lesson 5. A process converts to a system. A system converts to automation. Lesson 6. You can't automate something you don't have processes for. And you need data for automation. Lesson 7. So it starts with, hey, here's how we do things. 2, this is the process. 2, this is the system we always do. Attack speed is when it automates where I don't have to think about it. Your team has to acclimate to that. Lesson 8. It's the simplest things that grab the engagement, but at the end of the day, Brandon says, I want to remind every business owner, no matter where you're out in the world, 1, people want to be helped. You don't need everyone working with you. You just need 2 people that really want to be helped. Lesson 9. And when you help them, they're going to help you back. They're going to be loyal. That is a quality in human beings that I have found in every single country, irrespective of what anybody tells Brandon. So those are my lessons learned. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also download a free section of my book, Apartment Prescription, down in the link below. My book is out in Amazon. Take care. God bless.